Now the following readings were taken successively with a level and leveling stamp 0.250, 0.500, 0.300, 1.65, 2.150, 3.560, 0.450, 1.260. The level was shifted after third and sixth reading. Then mark the third reading, first reading, second reading and third reading. Underline this third reading, then fourth reading, fifth reading and sixth reading. Underline this sixth reading. Okay, because the level was shifted after third and sixth reading. Means these are your change point. Shifting of level means what? It is change point. Means after third reading level was shifted. After sixth reading level was shifted. Means third and sixth are the change point. Maybe there is given like that. The change point is after third and sixth reading. Then record these readings in the table and find out the reduced level of different point. RL of the first point is 100 meter. Means RL of the first point means what? It is the benchmark. The first point, which is known as the elevation, it is the fixed reference point of known elevation, means it is a benchmark, and the first reading value, benchmark value, it is given here. If it is not given, then you may assume it. Okay, then apply the usual check. Then solution. Calculate this method RL value by the HI method. HI means the collimation system. HI means height of the instrument method. Before that, prepare a table, serial number, station. BSR means back side reading. ISR means intermediate side reading. FSR means force side reading. HI method, RL, reduced level and remark. Then write down here the benchmark value. First reading, it is your benchmark, and the benchmark value is 100 meter. Therefore write down here HI method value, means what are the benchmark, it is given in the example. That's why write down the 100 meter in RL. Benchmark of this RL, it is 100 meter. Now the first reading taken on the benchmark, it is backside reading. Okay, the first reading is what? 0.250. The first reading is 0.250. The first reading is backside reading. Therefore write down in this column. Then last reading is foresight reading, and the reading in between backside and foresight are intermediate side reading. Means the level was shifted after third reading. Then this is the last point from the first position. पहिल्यांदा जिथं आपण डम्पी लेवल फिक्स केली होती तिथून घेतलेलं हे शेवटचं रिडिंग असेल, कारण थर्ड रिडिंग नंतर लेवल शिफ्ट झाली आहे. दॅट्स वाय फर्स्ट रिडिंग इज 0.250, लास्ट रिडिंग इज 0.30, and the reading in between first and last means it is 0.500. It is intermediate side reading. While writing, take care. First reading is back side reading, last reading is foresight reading, and reading in between backside and foresight are intermediate side reading. But the third point, it is a change point. That's why in remark write down the change point first. But what is the rule of change point? Change point should read 2 times. चेंज पॉईंट किती वेळेस रीड करायचं आहे आपल्याला? 2दा. एकदा लेव्हल शिफ्ट करायच्या अगोदर पहिल्या पोझिशनवरून आणि एकदा लेवल शिफ्ट केल्यानंतर. वाय वी आर शिफ्टिंग द लेवल? मे बी देर इज सम ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन इन बिटवीन 2 पॉईंट्स. वी आर नॉट एबल टू टेक द रीडिंग. दॅट्स वाय वी आर शिफ्टिंग द इंस्ट्रुमेंट. And here the instrument is shifted after third reading. Third reading is 0.30. But the rule of this change point is you should read it 2 times. Before shifting reading and after shifting reading. म्हणजे पहिल्या पोझिशनवरून हे घेतलेलं शेवटचं रिडिंग होतं, पण नवीन पोझिशनवरून जे पुढचं रिडिंग घेतलं ते पहिलं असेल. पहिलं रिडिंग कुठं लिहितो मग आपण? बॅक साईडला. पण ते कुठं लिहायचं आहे? it should be in front of the same point. C point is our change point, and this one is the last reading from the first position, and this one is the first reading from new position. Okay, नवीन पोझिशनवरून पहिल्यांदा घेतलं आहे. चेंज पॉईंट दोनदा रीड करावा लागतो, लेवल शिफ्ट करायच्या आधी आणि लेवल शिफ्ट केल्यानंतर, म्हणून त्याला 2 रीडिंग येतात. चेंज पॉईंटला 2 रीडिंग घ्यावी लागतात, फोर साइड रीडिंग अँड बॅक साइड रीडिंग. ओके, नाउ देन टेक द इंटरमिजिएट साइड रीडिंग. अगेन दिस पॉइंट, it is the change point second. Again the rule is same. Change point should read 2 times before shifting the instrument and after shifting the instrument. Okay, 3.560 it is the last reading, and the 0.450 it is the back side reading of the new point, change point 2. In remark, thus this one is a change point 2. Then the next reading is 0.450. It is the change point reading, but write down in a back side reading column. Then the last reading. This one is the last reading, 1.260. Then this one is four side reading. Last reading आपण नेहमी फोर साइड रीडिंगच्या कॉलममध्ये देतो. आता दिस HI मेथड इज व्हेरी इझी. HI means height of instrument from the mean sea level. But how to calculate it? The formula is same. RL of the benchmark means this one is a benchmark, RL of the benchmark plus back side reading. जो बेंचमार्क असतो त्यामध्ये बॅक साइड रीडिंग ॲड केलं, RL ऑफ बेंचमार्क प्लस बॅक साइड रीडिंग की आपल्याला HI मिळतं. Then what is the RL of benchmark? 100. And what is the back side reading? 0.250. Therefore HI is 100 plus 0.250 equal to 100.250. Now to calculate the new RL, HI minus reading. What we should do? HI minus reading means 100.250 minus 0.500 equal to 9.75. Now again there is a change point. Change point म्हणजे इंस्ट्रुमेंट एका जागेवरून दुसरीकडे शिफ्ट झालं, मीन्स देर इज अ डिफरन्स इन HI. हाईट बदलेल, जिथं आपण इंस्ट्रुमेंट शिफ्ट करणार आहोत ती जागा कदाचित उंचावर असेल. इट मे बी ॲट हायर एलिव्हेशन. देअरफॉर फॉर चेंज पॉईंट you should read that change point 2 times and we should shift the level, and that's why the HI is different. That's why calculate the new HI. Then what is the formula for new HI? First HI, what is the first HI? 100.250 plus back side reading minus four side reading, because change point having 2 readings, back side reading and four side reading. That's why first HI 100.250 plus back side reading minus four side reading. Then you will got the new HI for the change point. For change point only we will calculate the HI. Again HI minus reading. Now this change point having 2 readings. Therefore while subtracting HI minus back side reading, HI minus back side reading, then you will get 99.950. Then HI minus 2.150, then you will get 99.365. Again there is a change point. Then same method, this change point 101.515 plus back side reading 0.450 minus four side reading. This one is a formula for HI. First HI plus back side reading minus four side reading. Okay, then 101.515 plus 0.450 minus 3.560. Then new HI is 98.405 for change point second. ही कुठली HI आली? Change point second. Now how to calculate this one? It is having 2 reading, change point having 2 reading. Then RL for change point equal to HI minus back side reading. Okay, then you will get 97.95. Okay, then same HI minus 1.260, then you will get 97.15. Then for arithmetic check, take the summation of back side reading 0.250, 1.565 plus 0.450. Then it is 2.265. Then summation of 4 side reading 0.30 plus 3.50 plus 1.260, then it is 5.12. Then what is the arithmetic check? Arithmetic check means summation BSR minus summation FSR equal to last RL minus first RL. What is the last RL? Last RL is 97.145. First RL is 100. Okay. Then summation BSR 2.265 minus 5.12 equal to 2.855. Last RL is 97.145 minus 100, it is 2.85. LHS equal to RHS. It is same, hence it is checked. Okay.